Okay. ठीक है, चलो. We will start, huh? We will not wait. We will start right now. So because now the happy yearly is coming, so I know you are having which test, cyclic test. Still, more important is which one, happy yearly exam, right? That's why I have planned to start the chapter wise revision, and we will start from which one? Previous year questions of trigonometry. Today we'll start which one? Trigonometric, right? Everyone, follow. Clear now? So what do you know about trigonometry? Tell me, everyone. Do you know anything about trigonometry? Yeah. Okay. Basically, you know from right angle triangle. Yes or no? From a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, if you choose ABC is a right angle triangle, and B is what? Right angle. B is right angle. Then you tell me, if angle B is 90 degree, A and C both are which angle? Both are acute angle. Both are acute angle. Let me choose. This is what? Theta. Okay. And this is what? 90 minus theta. If this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Okay. Now we will discuss the trigonometric ratios for angle theta. Trigonometric ratios for angle theta. Okay. Now tell me everyone, T ratios for angle theta. How many T ratios are there? 6 T ratios. So who can say sine theta is how much? Sine theta equals to how much? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So now for theta, which one is perpendicular? AB. This is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. So therefore we can write this is a AB by AC, and then cos theta equals to what? B by H. Okay, B by H, and that is what? BC by AC. Clear? And then which one? Tell me. Tan theta. What is tan theta? Means if we are giving tan T ratios for theta. Okay. So tan theta is how much? That is P by B. P by B matlab AB by BC. Clear, everyone? Then after which one? Follow. Cosec you want, right? Cosec. Okay, cot. After that we can write cosec theta is what? Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. Why? We will learn, though you know sine cos tan, then after sine reciprocal is which one? Cosec theta. Though we have studied reciprocal relation, we will also study here reciprocal relation, that is cosec theta. What is the cosec theta? Tell me everyone, that is the reciprocal of sine theta. That is, you can write 1 by sine theta. Okay, 1 by sine theta, that is how much? H by P. Clear everyone? H by P equals to what is AC by AP. Similarly, sec theta. Sec theta is what? Reciprocal of which one? Reciprocal of cos theta. 1 by cos theta. That is how much? Bolo? How much? Okay. H by B. It is reciprocal of cos. That is H by B equals to what is AC by BC. Right? Cosec sec, then left which one? Cot theta. So here we are discussing what? T ratios. So cot theta is what? Whose reciprocal? Tan. So therefore 1 by tan theta we can write. That is how much? What is that? B by P. B by P means BC by AB. Got it, everyone? Okay, this is T ratios. Do you know? You know na? This is T ratio. Then after reciprocal relation, you can here understand from the T ratios. So the reciprocal of sine is which one? Cosec. Reciprocal of cos is sec, and reciprocal of tan is what? Cot. Therefore, we can write here also what the reciprocal relation. We can write a reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relation. So it is known as what? Reciprocal. Reciprocal relation. Which one? Bolo. Sine reciprocal is which one? Cosec. Therefore, we can write sine theta equals to 1 by cosec theta. Sine theta equals to 1 by cosec theta, and then cos theta. You can write it, okay? Simultaneously write, though you know this one, but still you note it down, and then directly we will start which one question answers. Here. So cos theta. Cos theta is the reciprocal of which one? Sec theta. 1 by sec theta equals to cos theta. Then after which one? Tan theta. Tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. Okay. Similarly, cosec equals to how much? Cosec theta. Cosec theta equals to 1 by sine theta, and then which one? Sec theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Okay, and cot theta. What about cot theta? Cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. These are the which ratio? A reciprocal relation. This is T ratios. This is a reciprocal relation. Okay, everyone. Then after which relation, bolo? Quotient relation. Quotient relation. These are the main concept. Quotient relation. Okay. In quotient relation, actually we are going to study about if we'll divide sine and cos. If we'll divide, look at here, sine cos, sine cos. If we'll divide, what you'll get? P by h, b by h. Sine theta by cos theta equals to p by h by b by h. Therefore, h cancelled or not? So what we will get? P by b. P by b is which one? Whose relation? Check karo. Whose relation? P by b. That is tan theta. So therefore, this is the first quotient relation between sine and cos. Sine and cos quotient is which one? Tan. Or tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta. Is that clear, everyone? Then after, next is what? Cos theta by sine theta. Cos theta by sine theta is how much? Bolo. That is similarly b by h. We'll get b by h divided by p by h, which will be how much? B by p, which will be cot theta. Is that clear? Done. This is T ratios, reciprocal relation, quotient relation. Okay, clear? Then after special angle, we are going to discuss about special angles. Okay, okay. First note it down. This one, everyone. Chalo, right? Though you know still writing, if you're writing, what will happen? You know, na, you can manage your time. You'll become faster whenever you'll revise. Whenever you'll revise the same thing again and again, you can manage time. You are saying, na, sir, 3 hours it is not enough. We cannot complete a time. Time is what? So less while solving 80-mark question. So if you solve again and again, means by revising, you can manage your time. Okay. Clear, everyone? डन हो गया ठीक है Now special angles. Do you know the value of angle? Everyone? Chalo. We will recall it. Which one? The special angles. Over this way? Over now. Okay. Chalo. Next, which one? Spatial angles. Spatial angles. Spatial angles. T ratios for spatial angles. What we are going to study is T ratios for spatial angles. What are the spatial angle? Tell me. What are the angle? That is 0, okay, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Clear, everyone? Now, if these are the theta value, if theta and t ratios will find, for them, right? First one is what? Sine theta. Sine theta. Okay. You know, if theta is 0, so sine 0 is how much? 0. Sine 30? 1 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is very good. Root 3 by 2 and 1. So, you know, if you will remember sine and cos, then after you can find out all other values. Okay. Clear? Everyone? Chalo. Let us find next one. So, cos theta. Cos 0? Cos 0 is how much? 1. Cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What about cos 45? 1 by root 2. This is, so cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is how much? 0. Clear, everyone? Next, bolo. Tan theta. So tan theta, tan 0 is how much? Tan 0 is 0. Very good. So tan 30 is how much? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Because you know tan is sine by cos. Yes, sine by cos. Therefore, that is 1 by root 3. Got it? Next, tan 45. Tan 45 is how much? 1. Tan 60 is root 3. Same sine by cos, by dividing you'll get. And this is infinite. 1 by 0 is how much? Infinite. Done. Okay. Let us next find out cot. Cot theta. Cot 0. Cot 0 is how much? Reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of tan. 1 by 0 is infinite. And then 30 is root 3. Then what about this? 45 is 1 and this is 1 by root 3. 60. Tan 60, cot 60 is 1 by root 3 and this is 0. Got it? Which one? Cot 90 is 0. Clear? Now chalo, sec theta. How many of you remember sine and cos? Tell me. Everyone? Clear? If you remember sine cos, then you can find out rest. Okay? Then chalo, sec theta. But you need to remember all the values. Okay? Questions are there. We will see. Next, check out sec theta. When theta is 0, sec 0 is how much? 1. Sec 0 is 1. And sec 30 is how much? 2 by root 3. And what about 45? Root 2. What about this 60? 2. And what about this 90? 90 is infinite. Are you clear? Are you clear, everyone? Next, left cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of which one? Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Though sine 0 is 0, it will be how much? Infinite. Then after, this will become how much? 2. Why reciprocal of sine? Check karo, sine 30. Cosec 30 is reciprocal of sine 30. That is 2. 45 is root 2. And this is 2 by root 3. And this is 1. Which one? 90. So these are the T ratios for special angles. The angles are what? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. You need to remember all. Okay, if you have remember all, good and well, right? Well and good, you can say. But if you have not remember all, at least you need to remember which one sine and cos. Clear? Then after you can write, because if you know sine and cos, you can find tan. How? Yes, tan is the quotient of which one? Sine and cos. Sine by cos is tan. So then you can find out tan. Done. Then if you know sine, you can find out cosec. How? By reciprocating. cos reciprocating sec, and tan by reciprocating cot you get. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. Next is identity. How many identities are there? How many identities? Three identities. So let me erase this slide and here only I write. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Have you written, everyone? Tell me. Written? Na? Okay. Let us write the which one? Identity. How many identities are there? Tell me. Three identities are there. I said you how you have to remember. Who can say? S, S, C. So S starting from S matlab sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And then number 2 is what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, right? And cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So while you are revising, if you are writing all the formulas in a copy and if you are starting revision by looking into the formula, you can easily remember. You can easily remember. Yes or no? Clear? Any doubt? No? Okay. Now from here you can find the sine square theta. What is sine square theta value? Do you know, everyone? So from first one we can get what? Sine square theta. How much? 1 minus cos square theta. And what about sine theta? Sine theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta's whole square root. Similarly, we can find out which one? Cos square theta. Cos square theta. What is cos square theta? Bolo? Cos square theta. Cos square theta bolo kya hai? Cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. And what about cos theta? Cos theta equals to, from where? Square root of 1 minus sine square theta. You can find this cos theta, sine square theta, cos square theta. From which identity? From which identity? From first identity. Any problem? So you see very limited formulas through which you can solve all the questions. Okay, you should not worry. It's very limited formulas. Then after second, from the second, we have got this values from first identity. From second identity, which values you can find out from second identity? Yeah, sec square theta is how much? 1 plus na 1 plus tan square theta. And what about sec theta? Square root of 1 plus tan square theta. And what about tan square theta? Tan square theta kya hai? Tan square theta check karo. So we have to bring one left hand side and we have to take tan square right hand side to get tan square plus tan square. Are you getting? So sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 is what? Tan square theta. Clear, everyone? Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay. Chalo. Next, what about tan theta? Square root of sec square theta minus 1. This is which one? Tan theta. Yes, sec square theta, sec theta, tan square theta, tan theta. Clear, everyone? Next, from last identity, which one we will get? From last identity, which one will get? Which one? Yeah, tell me. Cosec square theta value. What is cosec square theta value? Cosec square. Cosec square. Bolo cosec square. 1 plus cot square theta. What is cosec theta then? This implies cosec 1 plus square root of square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Is that clear, everyone? Done. ठीक है. Next, which one? Cot theta. What about cot theta? बोलो. Cot theta. Cot square theta is what? Cosec square theta minus 1. Cosec square. Cosec minus 1. And from here, cot theta equals to square root of cosec square theta minus 1. Done, everyone. Bus, by this we will solve all question right now. Okay, done. Chalo likh do. So these are what trigonometric what identity. Huh? You can write this is identity. Done. We'll solve now. Question. Are you ready for the question? Bolo. Ready now? Go. How many special angle you know? Tell me. You have remembered. Only. And rest? ये मना करा. Oh, ठीक है. Chalo. Let us see everyone how to solve the questions. How many questions you want to solve? Tell me. Everyone. This question will solve. Okay. Who can say how can we solve this one? How? Because we will first do in the lectures we will divide by that divide by 2. Then tan theta is equals to p by b. So p is equals to pk and b is equals to 2k. Then by the hypotenuse oh, you'll get 3 is perpendicular, for 2 is base, so you'll get which one? Hypotenuse. Very good. But that one, whenever you have started trigonometry, you should solve. Okay, now we are revising. Right, though we are revising, you know how to write the sine theta in terms of tan theta. How to write sine theta in terms of tan theta. Check karo. Yeah, very good. You showed me. Sir will start 2 tan theta, which is given. That is 2 tan A equals to 3. That is tan A equals to 3 by. No doubt. We will write this. But we will not write P by B here. Bus, keep it like this. Now you will start solving the question. Which one is given question? Question क्या दिया है? 4 sin A plus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos. Who can say how to write sine in terms of tan? By dividing cos. So while dividing cos, we have to divide both numerator and denominator. So whenever we divide both numerator and denominator, this one will become like this now. 4 sin A plus 3 cos A by cos A whole divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A whole divided by how much? Cos A. We have divided. Clear? Chalo. Then likho. What is that? 4 sin A by cos A plus 3 cos A divided by cos A. Whole divided by how much? 4 sin A by cos A minus 3 cos A by what is cos A. Okay. Sin by cos kya? Sin by cos is tan. So 4 tan A plus it is how much? Cos A by cos A is 1, cancelled, right? So left what is 4 sin by cos bolo kya? Tan A minus this is 3. Done. Everyone, now replace tan A value 3 by 2. Now replace tan A value, that is 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 3 by 2 minus 3. How much is that? Bolo. 2 ja 4, right? 2 3 how much? 6. 6 plus 3 divided by 6 minus 3, which is 9 by 3, which is 3. This is the final answer. Clear, everyone? Okay, if required, p by b also you can use, no matter. Clear? But whenever you know how to write sine in terms of tan, why don't you use? And though it is a MCQ, we have explained here, but you directly you can write your sine by cos is what? Tan. 4 tan plus 3 cos by cos is 1. Understood? So 4 tan a plus 3, 4 tan a minus 3, then tan a value डाल दो. Clear, everyone? Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Bolo. C. Okay, next, which one? Solve this question. Start karo. This question, how can we solve? This is question number 2A and 2B, will write. Okay, that is question number 1 is over. This is question number 2A, 2B. Right, question number 2A, 2B. Tell me, who can say? So whenever this type of root 3 will get, what we will do? Bol. Very good. What you'll do? Squaring on both sides. So while squaring on both sides, we will get here, yeah, sine theta plus cos theta equals to root 3, which implies how much? By squaring both sides, we'll get sine theta plus cos theta whole square equals to root 3 square. So sine theta plus cos theta whole square क्या है? Sine square theta plus cos square theta plus, very good, 2 sine theta into cos theta equals to 3. Done. So sine square plus cos square is how much? 1. Solved. Very good, very good. So 2 sine theta into cos theta equals to 3, and this implies 2 sine theta into cos theta equals to 3 minus 1. So that is 2 sine theta into cos theta. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. So 2 will be divided that side. So sine theta by cos theta equals to 2 by 2, which is equals to 1. Clear, everyone? So question is asking find sine theta into cos theta. So we have got sine theta into cos theta is how much? 1. Got it, everyone? Okay. Next, second question. This is 2A, 2B solve करो. 2B क्या है बोलो? Who can solve? हो गया? Very good. Here find the values of alpha and beta. Find the values of alpha and beta. Right now we have found बच्चों 1 by root 2. Which value of sine? Which value? Very good. So given question like this, look at here, I'll write sine alpha equals to 1 root 2, 1 by root 2 given. You'll write this implies sine alpha equals to sine 45. Therefore, alpha equals to 45. Very good. Similarly, cot beta is given how much? Root 3. And this implies cot beta equals to cot which value? Cot which value? Cot 30. Cot 30 is here. So therefore, beta equals to 30. Hence, question is asking about cosec alpha plus cosec beta. Got value? So right now, cosec alpha plus cosec beta equals to, we'll solve this, right? See what I have seen, what many students they're doing generally. Instead of writing sine 45, they are directly writing sine alpha equals to 45. That is wrong. Sine alpha is not 45. Sine alpha equals to sine 45. So though sine alpha equals to sine 45, hence alpha equals to 45. But sine is not cancelled here. Sine is not cancelled. Similarly, cot beta, cot 30. Cot is not cancelled. Beta is 30. Though cot beta is cot 30, hence beta value is 30. Clear? Now, what is cosec alpha value? Bolo. Cosec 45 plus cosec 30. Do you remember cosec 45? If not, you know sine 30, sine 45. Sine 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. So reciprocate kar do, root 2 plus sine 30 is how much? 1 by 2. So reciprocate kar do 2. So answer is this 2 plus root 2. 2 plus root 2 is the final answer. Clear everyone? Bolo. Clear? Okay, ठीक है. चलो. Next question. Moving to the next question. Over, everyone. Solved. Understood? Whenever this type of question will come in RHS part, root 2, root 3, root 5, anything if will come, you have to try to squaring first. Okay? Then you'll get the value easily. Okay, everyone? Okay. Chalo, next question. This question. Have you solved earlier this question? Tell me. Okay, chalo, solve करके दिखाओ. Solve करो. So, do you have any identity between tan sec? What is sec square theta minus tan square theta? So, where you will use this one? Where, bolo? Where you will use? Place of 1. In place of 1 in numerator. 1 in numerator. Chalo, dalo. Take LHS. Write LHS immediately, everyone. LHS. LHS. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Do not omit a single step while solving. Okay, and read the question carefully. Then after start solving. As I said, you write the question LHS and RHS. In place of 1, use the identity. Which one? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Chalo. Okay. Do you know a square minus b square? Formula क्या है? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. You have to use here, as well as sec square theta minus tan square theta. Additionally, you have to use this two. That is 1, right? This two you have to use while solving. While solving, just remember. Okay. Is that possible? Everyone, bolo. Clear? Chalo. What happened? You should write this sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Square to only. Okay, over. Okay, look at here, both of you. See, what did I say? You have to write tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. 1 value is what? That is sec square theta minus tan square theta. Clear? Okay. Whole divided by how much? Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now see, we have used here which one? This identity. Got it? Now this is become a square minus b square. We have to apply a plus b into a minus b. So that is what? Tan theta plus sec theta minus, I can write this is what? Sec theta plus tan theta, a plus b into a minus b. A is how much? Sec theta minus tan theta. Are you clear? Bolo. So which whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So therefore, tan theta plus sec theta is what? Common on numerator. Is that visible now? Where is here in this? There are two terms. This is first term, this is second term. In this two term, tan plus sec is here, there na. Sec plus tan क्या है? Tan plus sec. Okay, you know addition is commutative. A plus b equals to b plus a. But subtraction, is that commutative subtraction? No. Okay, so therefore we have to take common which one? Sec theta plus tan theta. ले लो common. What is left? From first term, 1 left. From second term, minus sec theta minus tan theta. Bracket is there. So minus you have to take sec theta, will take minus. Minus minus, kya? Plus tan theta. Okay. Whole divided by how much? Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Is that possible to write 1 plus, sorry, 1 minus, 1 minus, which one? 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. Why did I write? Why? Bolo, to cancel this two. So this two cancel na. So left what is? Sec theta plus tan theta. But we need what? 1 plus sine by cos. 1 plus sine by cos. Just convert sec into its reciprocal. Into reciprocal. That is what? Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. And the quotient relation of tan theta is what? Sin theta by cos theta. Got it? So therefore LCM क्या है? Cos theta, and hence become 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, that is which one? RHS. Okay, proved. Clear? See here, whenever you check, you will put which plus 1 place on numerator. Which value? The identity of sec tan. Similarly, question might come between cosec and cot. Cosec and cot. Sin cos also question will come, but during sin cos time you have to convert into tan. Understand? Clear, everyone? Tan and sec you have to convert. Okay, take over this one. Here, let us moving to the next question. Okay, na? Over everyone. So you remember, beside the question, you always write the formula which one you have used. Where we have used sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. Where? At which place? At place of 1 in second step we have used. And where we have used this a square minus b square? Where? Where we have used? In third step. Check it is a square minus b square we have used. Done? Chalo. Let us moving to which question? Next question. Clear? Okay. So this is question number. Which one is over? Bolo. Question 3 is over. Question number 4. Chalo. Question number 4 A, B. Two questions are there, right? Don't think there is a or, so we will choose one. No. We have to solve all questions. These are the previous year questions, right? Everyone. Now check karo, it will help you the special angles which one we have discussed from the beginning of the class. Okay. Do you remember cot 45 sec 60 sin 60? Okay, ready everyone? Chalo, solve kar do, solve kar do. Okay. Chalo, solve karo, solve karo. Cot square 45. 4 cot square 45. Directly we have to write the value. Are you clear? Everyone, bolo. Do you remember cot 45? Cot 45 is how much? Cot 45 is 1. Okay. Let us check what is the p value. Let me write bacho which one? The question. This is an equation. From the equation we have to find p value. This is given what an equation. We have to find the p value. So let me write the question. 4 cot square 45 minus sec square 60 plus sine square, which one? 60 plus p equals to 3 by 4. Equals to 3 by 4. Clear? So now this implies 4 into cot square 45 value kya bolo? Cot square 45 is 1. 4 into 1 minus sec 60. You know how much? 2. So 2 square. It is 1 square also you can write. So sec 60 dot, which one? Sec 60 is how much? 2. So we have to write here 2 square plus sine 60. Sine square 60 is there. So sine 60 is how much? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. So that is root 3 by 2 whole square plus p equals to 3 by 2. Okay. So whenever you solve, you write that table. Understood? You might have written in a copy, that copy. Are you getting, everyone? Bas chalo. So therefore, now 4 minus 2 square is how much? 4 plus root 3 square kitna hai? 3 by 4 plus p equals to 3 by 4. Okay. So therefore 4 cancelled much, right or not? Tell me. So therefore p equals to how much? 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Hence p equals to how much? Are you clear? Everyone understood now? How much you have got? Okay. Okay, ठीक है. चलो, P is 0. Clear, everyone? I think the second one. This is A. लिखो. This is which question number? Question number 4A, right? 4A. This is question number 4B. चलो solve करो. 4B solve करो. 4B solve कर दो. ठीक है? Solve करो B1. Okay. Done. Chalo, let us move to the or question. This is, I think, several times you have solved. Have you solved? No. So what is means the number of times you have solved? How many times you have solved? Do you know if MCQ will come also? You can write the answer. What is the answer? Without solving, you can write. Okay. Chalo. Wait, what happened? Okay, which question? This is na. So that is cos A plus cos square. Amar, look at here. Cos A plus cos square A equals to 1. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to write cos A equals to 1 minus how much? Cos square. Hence, identity today we have discussed sine square A plus cos square is how much? 1. So 1 minus cos square A, sine square. Right now, cos A equals to how much? Sine square A. Done, everyone. We have got value of cos A right now. Let us replace where in this case? Let us replace here, that is sine square A plus sine fourth A equals to how much? Sine square A is how much? Cos A plus sine fourth A. You can write how much? Sine square A to the power 2. Yes or no? So therefore it will become how much? Cos A plus sine square A value is how much? Cos A. Cos A square whole square matlab का square. Cos A plus cos square A. Already the given value 1. So proved. Oh sorry, this is the value. Okay, solution. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Okay. So revise. Amarjit, you see, no? You have forgotten. This is, I think, we have solved here more than 5-6 times. And every exam, not only in your school exam, but also in every board exam, you'll see this question might come in any state. Okay, solve this. Done, everyone. Tell me. Okay, over. What is the what happened? You have solved or not? ठीक है. Chalo, let us move to the next question. Who can solve? Who can solve sec theta when expressed in cot theta? What shall we do? Sec theta. How to write sec theta in terms of cot theta? Sec theta in terms of cot theta. Sec theta in terms of cot theta. First, tell me which identity is having sec relation. Likho that one. Write that one. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. From here, tell me बच्चों sec theta value क्या है? Sec theta is how much? 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta's square root. Square root of 1 plus tan. Right, everyone? Now you know how to convert tan into cot. Tan into cot. Got it, everyone? Tan ko cot mein rakho. What shall we write? Tell me. Sec theta equals to 1 plus how much? 1 by cot square theta's whole square root, right? So if you simplify, sec theta equals to take LCM cot square theta. So cot square theta plus 1 whole square root, that is square root of cot square theta plus 1 divided by only cot theta, because square root of cot square theta is how much? Cot theta. Square root only left where? On numerator. So which option is correct? Which option? Option C is checker. 1 plus cot square plus 1. Both are same or not? Tell me. So therefore option C is correct. Okay? Okay, everyone? Okay? Any issue? Tell me. Similarly, you will see in your NCERT book in the first question of which one? 8.1 or 4? That is exercise 3. 8.3 I think, right? 8.3, one number given, right? Like sign in terms of any all the other means all other trigonometric ratios. Clear? In form of. Done, everyone? Tell me. Clear? Okay, everyone? Clear? Okay, chalo. Let us come to the next question. Next question. So that is evaluate 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 whole divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Yeah. Chalo, solve karo. What is the value? Tell me. Right, same value. What is cos square 60? Cos square 60 is 1 by 2. चलो लिख दो first फटाफट लिख दो. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by how much? Sin square 30 plus cos square 30. वैल्यू डालो. ठीक है ना बच्चों? cos square 60 वैल्यू क्या है? बोलो everyone, बोलो. चलो right. Okay. So what is the value of cos 60? बोलो. Cos 60 क्या? 1 by 2. So cos square 60 मतलब how much we have to write? Directly 5 into this is how much? 1 by 2 square, right everyone? 1 by 2 square plus 4 into sec square 30. Sec square 30 is how much? Hmm. Okay. All of you have got same value? 67. Which one? Sec 30, 60. Oh, answer you have got. Okay, tell me what is sec 30 value? Bolo. 2 by? But here we have to write which one? Square. Okay. Minus tan square 45 is how much? 1 or 1 square you can write here. Then sine square 30 is 1 by sine now 1 by 2 square plus cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2 square. Done. Okay. ठीक है चलो 5 by how much? This is 5 by 4 plus this is 4 into 4 by 3. Yes. Minus 1 whole divided by this is how much? 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Done everyone. Chalo 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 look at here. Tell me what is the answer. 5 by 4 plus 4 for how much? 16 by 3 minus 1 whole divided by how much? 1 plus 3 by 4, right? 4 by 4 we can write directly 4 by 4 and hence it is LCM kya hai bolo? On numerator is 12. Done. So 12 matlab 15 plus 64 minus 12, right? Everyone whole divided by 1. So chalo. Now it is how much? 64 plus 15. 5, 4, 9, 6, 1, 79 minus 12. 79 minus 12 is how much? 67 by 12 is the final answer, right? Everyone, 67 by 12 is final answer. Got it, everyone? Chalo, likh do. Write this. Next question. Next question also you have to use same special angles. Sin A minus B is 0. Find karo, solve karo everyone. Okay. Over, everyone. Bolo. If A and B are the acute angles such that sin A minus B is 0, sin A minus B is what? 0. So which value of sin is 0? 0. So लिख दो बस sin A minus B, sin A minus B equals to sin 0. Hence sin 0 बच्चों, this is not theta. That is sin 0. Got it? So A minus B is how much? How many of you have got? A minus B value is how much? Equation number 1. Then similarly, second part, what is given here? Second part, what is given? 2 cos A. 2 cos A plus B minus 1 equals to 0. Hence, bolo 2 cos A plus B equals to how much? A30, B30. Okay, okay. So 2 cos A plus B is how much? We have to take minus 1 to right side. So it will become how much? 1. So cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is how much? 1 by 2. So which value of cos A plus B is 1 by 2? That is cos 60. Clear everyone? So therefore A plus B equals to 60. Equation number 2. So you have got two equation, bus linear equation and two variable. Apply karo. So by adding, you can eliminate B. So whenever you add equation 1 and 2, you will get 2A. 2A is how much? 60. So A is 30. If A is 30, A minus B is 0. 30 minus B is 0. So B is 30. Clear everyone? Clear? Let me also complete here. The same thing. Okay. So whenever you solve the question, then definitely you can remember. But only if you want to memorize, you cannot memorize. Are you getting that? So solve question, then definitely you can remember the angles. So how many questions you have completed? Tell me. Only. Okay. So more than how many questions are there? 14 questions are there. Okay. Look at here. Look at here. So a plus b from equation 1 to a minus b equals to 0, a plus b equals to how much, bacho? You got 60. So by adding equation 1 and 2, b cancelled, 2a equals to 60, right? A equals to how much? 30. If a 30, let us replace in equation 1. 30 minus b is 0. So therefore b is also 30 and b are 30. Clear everyone? Clear? Let us move to the next question. Okay, everyone? Chalo. Next question, huh? Are you getting? Okay. Chalo. Next question, who can solve? This is question number 7, right? So question number 7, A and B solve karo. Let me see who can solve this question. Okay. Fatapat solve karo. Prove that sine A minus 2 sine QA by 2 cos QA plus minus cos A equals to tan A. Who can? Who can? LHS le lo. Le lo LHS. How can you solve? Okay, done. You have completed. What you have done? Tell me. What you have done? You have taken common. Okay, what is common? Huh. Hmm. 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 Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Take common, take common. Amro. क्या हुआ बाबा? Look at here, look at here. Look at here. Sine A minus 2 sine Q A whole divided by is what? 2 cos Q A minus cos A, right? So this is what LHS, this is LHS now. So what you have to do, you have to take a common from where? From numerator, so that is, it is sine, huh? It is sine. Sine A is common. Left what is? Sine, oh sorry, one left, clear? Left 1. 1 minus 2 sine square A whole divided by. Here also we can take, what is that? Cos A is common. Cos A common. So what is that? 2 cos square A minus 1 left. Got it everyone? Understood now? So now tell me sine by cos is how much? Tan. But with this it is not over. We need tan. But still 1 minus 2 sine square A and 2 cos square A minus 1 is with us, right? What we have to do? Tell me how to write this sine in terms of cos, sine square A. Bas likh do. Clear. So that is 1 minus 2 into how much? 1 minus, अबे बोलो कितना है? 1 minus cos square है ना, divided by 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, what happened? You two have completed? You completed? No. Where is doubt? Tell me. Where is doubt? Are you clear what I have done? Sine by cos I have written tan. 1 minus 2 sine square A I have written 1 minus 2 into sine square A value, you know now from identity. That is Sin square A plus cos square is 1. So therefore sin square is how much? 1 minus cos square A. I have written. And the denominator as it is, I have written 2 cos square A. Are you searching where is cos A? Why not? Why you are not searching? Already we have written, but your sin A by cos A is what? Tan. Already we have written, right? Don't worry for that. So now tan A, look at here. Tan A into how much? 1 minus. 1 minus how much? 2 into 1. 2 minus into minus is how much? Plus. So that is 2 cos square A. Are you getting everyone? Okay. Now check karo, that is 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, everyone. So therefore tan A 1 minus 2 is how much? 1 minus 2 is how much? Bolo. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 cos square A whole divided by how much? 2 cos square A minus 1. Done, everyone. Okay, let me change this one. We can write the minus 1 plus 2 cos square A. This is minus 1 plus 2 cos square A. Will we cancel or not? Will we cancel or not? What happened? Dhala. Kaun hoji tar? Majra hoji. Tan A equals to how much? Tan A equals to how much? RHS. Over everyone. Okay. Chalo approved. Okay. Second one. Second one who can solve? Bolo. You can solve. How? Hmm. Hmm. Hey, over nahi. That means you have applied which one? The reciprocal relation, right? Reciprocal na? Or what is it? अब reciprocal लगा, reciprocal लगा, ठीक है ना? What do you have done? Which one you are solving? Eh? You are unable to solve this question? Put a minus 2 as well. Look at your where. Hey, keep silence. देखो. Sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square. This 2 will be multiplied or not? How minus करियो? Put a 1 minus 2. 2 multiply क्यों जी? 2 is multiplied here. अब minus 2 into 1 is how much? Minus 2. Plus minus minus is plus 2 cos square A. Are you getting everyone? Take. Oh. Take it. He knows. Good. Done. Everyone. You're having that paper. But you have not solved a single question. I think the paper shows like that way. Huh? So you have not started a single question. Because it's a cute new paper, you see. Chalo, look at here. Also some new questions added there. Okay. Hey, look at here. Okay na? Huh? Shall we move to the next question? Already do eh? Milna था कहते how much you have got? 10 है. Done. So let me solve the second one. Second one. Look at here. How I will solve second one? Sec A 1 minus sin A. Sec A plus tan A. It is what? LHS. What is this? LHS na? So now we will show RHS is 1. RHS is 1. What we have to do here, we will apply reciprocal relation. Reciprocal na? So sec reciprocal क्या है? 1 by cos into 1 minus sin. And here this sec is what? 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Got it, everyone? Now 1 minus sin A by cos A. 1 minus sin A by cos A multiplied by how much? 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now check karo na numerator. How it is visible to you? Which identity? Numerator A plus B into A minus B is how much? Check karo ye A minus B, A plus B. That is how much? A square minus B square. Apply kar do. So 1 square minus sin square A by how much? Cos square A. Numerator में क्या आएगा? 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square is how much? Cos square A by cos square A. That is 1 RHS. Done, everyone? What do you have done? Honda multiply करो. Oh, you have multiplied. ठीक है. Check. Good. Solve करो. कौन है क्या? Good. See, solving mathematics means there are many ways. Okay, but all questions are not having many ways. Some questions. Okay, clear. So, which way you have solved, no matter for that, but you should do correctly. Have you got the correct answer? Okay. And whenever you revise the question and again, it will directly come to your mind which way you have to solve. But studying and revision both are different. Are you getting now? If you are studying, so directly whenever you see the question, answer might not come to your mind. But while revising, directly you get, like you have seen there, cos A plus cos square A is how much? 1. Then what is sin square A plus sin 4A? Same 1. Whenever you solve, you'll get. But if you not solve, I'll get. Are you getting now? Are you solving now? You see, I have given that question when? I think month of April I have given this question. ଏବେ କଣ କରିବେ? Oh, very good. But ଏବେ ନୂଆ କରି ଆଣିଛୁ ତ, ତାହେଲେ ତୁ ଆଗରୁ solve କରିଥିବୁ. Solve କରିଥିଲୁ କହୁନୁ. You should say me the answer. Okay, ठीक ଅଛି. चलो, look at here now. Over this is, tell me, this two question over. Wait, over ना? ठीक है. Next question. Who can solve this one? Bolo. Already I said how to solve this type of question. Tell me answer फटाफट. I will not solve this question. Okay? What is answer? बोलो. Answer क्या बोलो? Okay, done bolo. Now see how to write sine in terms of tan. Bolo. How? You to tell me. क्या? हाँ बोलो. Sine. We have to divide cos. हाँ कि नहीं? So in both numerator and denominator, divide करो cos. So you'll get sine by cos. Sine by cos is how much? Tan theta plus 1 by, this is how much? Tan theta minus 1. Are you getting? Huh? So what is tan theta value? डाल दो. 5 by 12 plus 1, 5 by 12 minus 1. How much? 5 plus 12 by 12 divided by 5 minus 12 by 12. You know 12 cancel. Left 17 by minus 7. That is minus 17 by 7 is the answer. Option A is the correct answer, right? Everyone? Over? Chalo. Completed, everyone? Let us move to the next question. Huh? Okay. Chalo, see. Next question. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. Value डाल दो. Who can say tan 30 value is how much? 1 by root 3. Very good. So 2 into 1 by root 3. 1 plus tan square 30, 1 by root 3 square. So that is 2 by root 3. Yes, 1 plus 1 by 3. How much bolo? 2 by root 3 whole divided by how much? Where is out? Are you getting now? About 2 into 1 by root 3 plus whole divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 by root 3, 1 by 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. Are you getting? No. I think you are in doubt. So this is what LCM is 3. So 3 plus 1 by 3, and which is equals to how much? 2 by root 3. Okay. 2 by root 3, 4 by 3. Now you know that is 2 by root 3 into how much? 3 by 4. 2 to cancel, or root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whose value? Sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, the value is sine 60. Done, everyone? Bolo. Clear? Okay. Chalo, moving to the next question. Next question, फटाफट solve करो. फटाफट, let me see who can solve this question. You can? Okay. चलो solve करो. चलो solve करो. Very good, Babua. Very good. So solve the Babua. Solve this question. Babua, you should write your name in your that ID, YouTube ID. You should write this is Babua. Okay. Okay, solve karo. A cos theta plus B sin theta equals to M. A cos theta plus B sin theta equals to M, and A sin theta minus B cos theta equals to N. Then what is A square plus B square? To prove M square plus N square. Very simple. Eh? Why you are surprising by seeing this question? So difficult. You are like that. You are thinking like in exam na. So exam matlab share. Magha asila. Mahati mole khaibo na gana. So M square plus N square is given. Just squaring both sides. Okay, square. Babu over. Babu has completed. So from that time I am alone, right, Babua? No one is there. Very few, I think someone came from out of Odisha or somewhere else. I think. Okay, chalo. Let us solve this question, bacho. A cos theta A plus B sin theta equals to M. Hence, squaring kar do both sides. Are you getting? Squaring kar do. Babu, look at here. So while squaring both sides, what it will become? Tell me answer there. Whole square equals to M square. So therefore answer क्या है? A square cos square theta B square sin square theta plus 2AB sin theta into cos theta equals to how much? M square. Now tell me everyone, from this is what M square value we have got. Which value we have got? M square. We have to add M square plus N square. Let us find N square. I'll get N square. I'll get by squaring this. By squaring this, it is number one equation. Number one. Number two क्या है? A sin theta minus B cos theta equals to N. By squaring both sides, you'll get A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square equals to N square. Hence, it will become how much? Bolo? A square plus look at here minus 2AB sin theta into cos theta equals to how much? This is number two equation. See, question is asking to find M square plus N square as A square plus B square. Add कर दो ये दोनों equation को. Add कर दो. Right? While adding equation 1 and 2, adding लिख दो, adding equation 1 and 2. we will get what? Bolo. What we will get? What we'll get? That is, whenever I add, check karo. I'm writing these two equations directly here. It will become a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta or cos theta into sin theta, no matter, right? Equals to what? M square. Similarly, second equation kya hai? A square sin square. You see, I am writing a square sin square just down of sin square. Okay, so therefore I am writing here plus a square sin square theta, and this b square cos square I am writing down of this b square cos square theta. Why? See, while adding, we can take common cos square theta. We can take common cos square theta. Minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta equals to n square. चलो ऐड कर दो ये दोनों को, ठीक है ना? So while adding, this will be cancelled or not? बुझ नहीं? So while adding this to बच्चों, what we will get? Cos square is common. Check करो, cos square theta is common. Left a square plus b square plus. Similarly from this two, what is common? Sin square theta. Sin square theta is common. Sin square theta multiplied by a square plus b square. Are you getting the nine? Bolo. M square plus n square, right side. Done. Now what is common here? A square plus b square. What is left? What is left? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to m square plus n square, right? चलो ये वाला थोड़ा. Then बोलो, cos square plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Hence left na a square plus b square equals to m square plus n square proved. ठीक है? And sit देखी कि ना सब पिला डोरी जाइए Why? तो मुंडो खराब है ना को. This question I think earlier you have solved. Recently you have solved this question. What? That is known as conjugate. You have to multiply the conjugate of sec a plus 1. Conjugate of sec a minus 1 is sec a plus 1. Multiply kar the both numerator and denominator. Solve karo. First complete this, then after solve this. Over? Okay. Second one solve karo. Don't think this is a or question. So both the question you have to solve. This is question number 9B. 9A, 9B solve karo, right? This is 9A. 10A, 10B. Okay, 10A, 10B. This is 10A question. This is 10B. लिख दो. Solve करो immediately solve करो. Okay. You don't have exam tomorrow? Yes, sir. Very good. Okay, chalo. Over na this question. Tell me. Yes, sir. Second one, how much you have multiplied? Bolo. Sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1. You have multiplied how much? Bolo. Sec a minus 1 by sec a minus 1 you have to multiply. It is this sec a minus 1 is known as conjugate of sec a plus 1. Whatever in denominator you have to multiply the conjugate of that, and it is under square root. Clear? Plus Similarly, this would be how much? Sec a plus 1 by sec a minus 1 multiplied by how much? Sec a plus 1 by sec a plus 1, right? It is under square root. So therefore, it will become how much? Sec a minus 1 whole square, right? Divided by, this is how much? Sec square a minus 1 square, or 1 will write, and which is under square root, plus, it is how much? Sec a plus 1 whole square divided by sec square a, sorry, that is sec square a minus 1 square, 1 square to 1, you know, and both numerator and denominator under square root, under square root. So square root of numerator is how much? Like sec a minus 1 square root of, done, and the denominator become how much? Square root of, though numerator square root already we found, sec square a minus 1 is tan square a plus, this is how much? Sec a plus 1 square root of numerator divided by denominator का square root क्या है? Square root of tan square a. Done everyone. Now check करो. Sec a minus 1 divided by tan a. Square root of tan square a. Square root of tan square a is how much? Tan a plus sec a plus 1 by tan a. Done. Okay. Now let us take LCM tan a. LCM is tan a. Okay, very good. And the numerator it is become how much? Check karo. Sec a minus 1 plus sec a plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. 2 sec a by tan a, which is sec a by sec a is how much? 2 into 1 by cos a whole divided by, you know, sin a by cos a. Cos cancelled, left 2 by sin a equals to 2 cosec a. 2 cosec a is what? RHS. Clear everyone? Okay, done. Bus, you solve then. Remaining questions will solve in next class, right? You have tomorrow exam, so go now. ठीक है, चलो move. Which one? Tell me. Out. Which question? Which question? Sine? You will take a plus b plus c is how much? 180 you will use here or kya? This is cos b c. It is given. So you just put the value. You'll get 3 equations. You'll solve 3 equations or what? Okay, let me solve here. Okay, bacho, look at here. She's asking a. Look at here. She's asking a question. The question is like this. What is the question? Tell me. What is in triangle ABC? Sine of a plus b minus c is how much? 1 by 2. Wait. So what is sine a plus b minus c? Which value is 1 by 2? Sine 30. Hence a plus b plus c or minus. That is minus, huh? Minus c is 30. Got it? It is number 1 equation. Done. It is A, B, C are what? Angles of angles of a triangle, right? So therefore, you can write A plus B plus C equals to 180. Why? Because sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180. Okay, another one, what is given? Bold. Cos of, huh? Okay, cos of B plus C minus A 1 by root 2. So which value of cos is 1 by root 2? 45. So cos B plus C minus A equals to cos 45. Hence cos, B plus this implies, it implies So this implies b plus c minus a equals to 45. Equation 2 and this is equation 3 Lilo. This to the given, this to given. That's why we have got equation 1 and 2. And third one, what given? Given ki A, B, C. These three are the angle of a triangle. So angle sum property of we know. Though there are three equations are there, we can find the value. How? See, I can write now from here. From here, I'll get now B plus C value is how much from here. Okay, B plus C is how much? 45 plus a, 45 plus a. Are you getting? Okay, let us replace b plus c value here in equation 2, sorry, equation 3. In equation 3, let us replace b plus c value. We'll get how much? A plus b plus c is how much? 45 plus a equals to 180. Hence a plus a is 2a. 2a equals to 180 minus 45. So a equals to how much? 180 minus 45 kitna? 135. Clear? By 2. It is a value we have got. Clear everyone? Okay. Now come here, we will find out which value a will replace here. Clear? In which equation? First equation, or here you can put. Okay, we will put a value in one of the equation. B minus c will get. Are you getting? So in here. So b plus c, if we'll put, what we'll get? We'll get the b plus c, na? We need b minus c right now. We need b minus c. B plus c is there, b minus c is there. We can add, we'll get another equation, right? Okay, so for that, let us replace a value in where? In equation 1. In equation 1. So we'll get, check karo, a plus b minus c is given 30. Now b minus c is how much? B minus c equals to 30 minus a value is 135 by 2. So therefore b minus c equals to kitna? 60. 60 minus 135 by 2. So b minus c equals to 60 minus 135 is how much? 5. 13 minus 6. How much? 75 by 2. So b minus c, this is minus. This is minus. B minus c we have got. We have b plus c. Okay. B plus c is how much? B plus c equals to 45 plus a. Clear? 45 plus a is how much? 45 plus 135 by 2. That is a 90 plus 135. 90 plus 135 is how much? 5. 215. 215 no? No, 220. 225. 0. 0. 225. Right? Everyone? 225 by 2 is which one? B plus c. Let us add these two. You'll get 1. B plus c. Are 240 or 90? 90 plus 135. 0. Okay, 225. 225, not 40. This is 225. 225. So b plus c is how much? 225 by 2. Let us add this equation number. Let us, I'm writing how much? 3, 4, 4 and 5. Equation 5. While adding, you see c will be cancelled. C will be cancelled. So you'll get 2b equals to 2 to LCM there. 2 LCM na. So 225 minus 75. So therefore b equals to how much? 5, 5, 0 cancel. 22 minus 7, how much? 15 by, ये 2 multiplied, that side it will be divided 4. So now you can cancel. How much you'll get? How much you'll get? So 2 matlab 75 by 2. 75 by 2 na? Okay, 75 by 2 you have got. This is 135 by 2. Then you'll get value c of c value. You put it to one of the equation, you'll get the value of c. Are you getting everyone? Bas or kya? 3. See, if 2 equation are there and you can find the value of 2, right? 2 unknown value you can find. Similarly, if 3 equations are there, you can find the 3 unknown value. So though here 3 equations, but for confusing 2 equations given, third one you have to write from the triangle, which is a plus b plus c is 180. Got it? Clear? You got A, B. If we'll replace now B, any one of the equation, you'll get from here or from here. Equation 4, yeah, 5. Okay, done. Chalo, you can leave now. Okay, done. Okay, let me check. Is there any online? Which one? Answer is not coming. C1. Babua, C is not coming. Answer will come na C. Checker, you replace now. A you have got, B you have got, right? Hey, let me solve. Babua is there na. Let some questions. Let me solve. Some students are there. Okay. Babu, are you there? Tell me. Okay. See, we have got which value? We have got A value and B value. Look at here now. Now see, A we have got 135 by 2 and B we have got how much? 75 by 2. But you know, B minus C. B minus C is how much? B minus C is how much? Or B plus C also you can take. Are you getting now? You can take B plus C is how much? 225 by 2. Now replace B, 75 by 2 plus C equals to 225 by 2. Hence, C equals to 225 by 2 minus 75 by 2. How much? 2 is LCM. 225 minus 75 is how much? Bold? कितना है? 0, 50, 150 by 2. Are you getting or not? Tell me. 150 by 2 is how much? 75. Are you clear? C value and B value you got right now. C value, C is 75. You can also divide this is B is how much? 2 3 ja 6 and 2 7 14.5, 37.5, and here A value is how much? 2 6 are 12 and then 15 2 7 14.5. Are you getting or not, Babua? Clear na? C is 75 na, C is not minus 75 beta. C is 75. Okay. Okay. Shall we solve the next question? Are you ready for that? Tell me. Text me. Text kar do if you want to see. Okay, ready? Okay, chalo. Over this is, have you written? Now see the next question. This question, solve this. How will get this? LHS ले ले. What is LHS? LHS क्या है? Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Okay. So are you prepared your English exam for English exam? You are prepared? Anything left? See how we'll solve second question. For that, what we have to do? We have to write tan in terms of sin and cos. Sin theta by cos theta all divided by 1 minus cot theta is how much? Cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta, you know, cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Now sin theta by cos theta. Here sin theta is what? LCM. So therefore it will become sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by sin theta. Plus, here you know, cos theta by sin theta whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta whole divided by cos theta. Okay, everyone, clear now? So what we will get from here? What we will get? Sine will be multiplied. It will become sine square theta by cos theta. It is one of the important question, right? I think you have solved many times. Sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into, it is cos square theta, right? It is cos theta minus sin theta. Now here we have to change the sign. Why this is sin theta minus cos theta? It is cos theta minus sin theta. It will become how much? Sin square theta by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta. How can we write cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta? By taking minus as common. So I am writing here minus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. After taking here common minus, it is become clear. So therefore sin square theta by cos theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta, plus minus is minus, cos square theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so let us take the LCM. LCM क्या है? LCM क्या है? That is sin theta into cos theta. Though there is no factor of cos theta sin theta, and sin theta minus cos theta is what? Sin theta minus cos theta, because it is in both cases. So once we have to write in LCM case. So therefore it will become how much? Sin q theta sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta divided by the denominator. We'll get which one? So cos theta sin theta minus cos theta will be cancelled. Left sin theta into sin square sin q minus cos q theta. Okay, so then on numerator aq minus bq formula, aq minus bq, what is that? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. A minus b into a square sin square theta plus cos square theta plus ab, that is sin theta into cos theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta whole multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta. Check कर sin theta minus cos theta cancelled or not? Cancelled. What is left? Sin square plus cos square. Sin square plus cos square is how much? 1. Let me erase this slide. This part I am erasing. It is became what? 1 plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Hence 1 by sin theta cos theta, 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Therefore what happened? One by sine cos is what? Cosec theta into sec theta plus sine cos cancelled, left one. These are RHS. Over. Tell me. Completed now. Sine q theta. Minus is common. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let us move to next question. हो गया? Any doubt बोलो? Okay. If over, we will solve the next question. Solve करो ये वाला. This is a MCQ. Look at here. How can we solve? Cos square by sin square is how much? Cos square by sin square. Cos square by sin square is how much? Cot square theta minus 1 by sin square. 1 by sin square is cosec square na. 1 by sin square is cosec square. So answer is how much? We don't have any identity, but by taking minus as common, let us take minus common. In this question, are you getting? So cos square by sin square, I have written cot square minus 1 by sin square is cosec square. So then cot square minus cosec square, there is no identity, but there is identity cosec square minus cot square. Hence, I'm taking common minus left cosec square theta, means cosec will become plus and cot will become minus. Cot square theta minus 1. Answer. This is identity. Trigonometry identity. Clear? So which one is the answer? Option D. Okay? Clear? Okay. और कौन है ये जो ADIOP कौन है? Tell me. ADIOP minus 1. Very good. ADI. आदि ना कौन है? आदि OP. Very good. Both of you. Oh, Ice Panda. होते ठीक है. Now solve करिए वाला question. This is a short question. Which one is not true? Tell me. Panda, tell me. Tell me which is not true from the following. Sin theta into cot theta. Is that cos theta? Sin theta into cot theta. Sin theta into cot theta मतलब क्या? Sin theta into cot theta, that is sin cos by sin. Cos theta by sin theta. So sin cancel, equals to cos theta. So first option is true or false? It is correct. But question is asking which is not true. Which is not true? Cosec square minus cot square. One ना? True. ये true. Okay. ये तो true. ये true. Now cos into tan. Cos into tan is how much? Cos theta into tan मतलब sin theta by cos theta. So cos cancel. Sin. So ये भी true. That means definitely this is false. Because tan square minus sec square should be minus 1. But it is given plus 1. Hence it is false. Done. Okay. Take. Bus. Do you want to solve more question? Okay, you solve this much, right? Get prepared for your exam, and we'll see next class. Okay, in next class I'll be live also, and that is on Monday. On Monday we will discuss the remaining question of trigonometry. Okay, clear? Go. Get prepared. Bye bye. Okay, you finish your exam tomorrow, you finish tomorrow exam, you complete karo, and on Monday onwards live will be going on. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days. Clear? ठीक है, चलो.